C.R.I.'s Tactical Drone Academy. Tactical drone pilot for law enforcement agencies. Post approved. The use of drones by law enforcement can be the difference between life and death. All officers and deputies want to make it home safely, as well as be successful in their jobs. Using drones can give law enforcement strategic and tactical advantages while decreasing the possibility of harm in the line of duty. Today, departments face increasing scrutiny with regard to public perception. Lawsuits are ever increasing against police officers, departments, and cities. The wars in Ukraine and Israel highlight what can happen when law enforcement and military use or do not use drones. Using drones is no longer an option when it comes to public safety. Departments and agencies that do not use drones will stay behind and expose officers and the public in general to great risks. C.R.I.'s Tactical Drone Academy offers one of the most advanced tactical drone pilot courses in the United States, and it's post-approved. We also offer hybrid drone training, meaning we can train both the pilots and the rest of the team to conduct integrated operations. Consultation and advisement is available for departments that want to incorporate drones into their operations. Contact us to discover how we can best support your mission. Thank you for watching this video, and stay safe. C.R.I.'s Tactical Drone Academy Division.